Hi, I'm just getting ready to make some lunch and I didn't know if you wanted to join me. I've got some different kinds of veggies here and I want to throw together a really quick salad. So I've got a broccoli stalk here. I trimmed it and took off all the gnarly stuff. It tastes really sweet. It's a lot different than just broccoli florets. Carrot, English cucumber, I've got some red pepper, and I've got some pea sprouts. So I'm just going to show you how I'm going to pull this together. This is completely unrehearsed. It's my lunch. So I've got a Julienne Peeler. I don't know if you've seen one of these before. It's got little teeth in it. I've already been using it. And what you end up with is these little tiny strips like that. Now this, I could use a knife and just chop it any old way. But you know, when you make your food look nice, then actually, I think it actually tastes better. It has to have some eye appeal when you sit down to it. Now you want to be careful that you don't get your finger with this Julienne peeler, because it would be really easy to get it stuck in there. And then you got a big owie. Okay, so that's enough of that for now. I've got my carrot. Now with carrots, after you peel them, you should also wash them because they can carry some traces of botulism in it. So I'm just going to do the same thing with this. I'm not big on playing with my food, I just like to get it done. Okay, I think that's probably enough there. So far, so good. Got a nice mix here. So I'm going to add in some dark green from the English cucumber. And I'm going to go around the cucumber with this. And I can use the rest of the cucumber for something else another time. The veggies get a little bit stuck in here, so you do have to pull them out. Okay, so I've got a nice mix of colors here. I've got my red onion, so I'm going to cut this in a julienne cut as well. So I lay it flat. You can't really see here, but this is the technique you should always have when you're using your kitchen knife. My knife is always going to be up against this knuckle. I'm just going to glide through this. My knife is always up against that knuckle. That knuckle is my guide. That prevents me from cutting myself. So I'm going to have some nice thin bunches of red onion here. Mix that all up, and now I'm going to add in my red pepper. I'm going to cut it the same way, but I'm just going to cut it on a bit of an angle. Once again, my knuckle is always up against my knife. And I just feed my fingers back as I cut. I glide my knife through, and it goes very quickly. Okay, got some more. Now I found some pea sprouts at the grocery store today. These are a little bit long, so I'm just going to cut this in half. And even when I'm cutting this, my finger is always up against my knuckle. Okay. So I've got a nice nutrient-dense salad full of different colors. I'll probably toss this with some kind of a rice vinegar for my dressing. Okay, and to give it just a little bit more eye appeal, I'm going to do a little sprinkle of black sesame seeds. There, that's my salad for lunch today. Thanks for joining me. My name's Jill. Have a great day.